I was standing in my bridal lehenga, heart pounding, smile frozen. The camera clicked, and that's when I saw him. Behind the lens, the man I had loved, the man who disappeared without a word, was now my wedding photographer. I couldn't breathe. The world around me blurred. It wasn't the crowd nor the lights. It was him. Same eyes, same silence, same pain. He didn't flinch when our eyes met. He just clicked the photo like I was just another bride, another story, another stranger. Let me take you back to where it all began, to when love didn't feel this heavy. We met in college. He was in his final year of photography. I was just a fresher, lost, nervous, and shy. He found me behind the auditorium stage, crying after a failed performance. He didn't ask questions. He just sat beside me and said, "You cry beautifully, but next time, let me take a picture when you win." That was his way of flirting, raw, honest, awkwardly poetic. And that's how we started, not with flowers, but with moments. He captured my laugh, my stolen glances, my messy hair, my late night rants. He said I was his muse. I believed him. For 3 years, we were inseparable. No fancy dinners, no loud declarations, just his camera and my eyes. We dreamed of opening a wedding studio one day. He would take the photos. I would write the love stories behind them. But one morning, he was gone. No goodbye, no note, no reason. I waited, I cried. I begged fate to bring him back. But months passed, then a year, and life moved on. But I didn't. When my family fixed my marriage with a kind, stable man from Mumbai, I said yes. Not because I was over him, but because I was tired of waiting for someone who never looked back. And now, on the most important day of my life, there he was, behind the camera, capturing my smile, the one I forced for society. He didn't say a word, not during the mehendi, not at the haldi, not even during the feras. But just before my vidai, when no one was watching, he placed a small envelope in my hand. Inside was a photo, black and white, blurry, but ours. It was from 3 years ago, me asleep on his lap, a book on my chest, and his eyes full of love. On the back, he had written just one line, "You were never just a picture to me." And then he left, again, this time forever. A week later, I got a call from his studio. They said he'd handed over all the wedding photos before boarding a train. That train met with an accident. There were no survivors. Now I sit here, looking at our last picture, not from my wedding album, but the one he left behind. Sometimes I wonder why he came back. Just to say goodbye? Just to show me that he still cared? Or maybe to keep a promise. He did say, "Next time let me take a picture when you win." And he did, even if it broke him. If this story touched your heart, if you felt the pain between the lines, then maybe, just maybe, he didn't click that final photo in vain. Like, share, and subscribe, not just for stories, but for the ones we never got to finish.